With lightning-quick advances across much of Iraq, the marauding, bloodthirsty militants with their black insignia appeared to be an undefeatable force on a mission to terrorise the country. But when ISIS suddenly turned its attention towards Kurdistan, northern Iraq, it underestimated the opposition. From the skies, the United States pounded enemy positions, helping Kurdish and Iraqi forces on the ground to drive back the Islamic extremists. Recapturing Mosul Dam, a turning point. According to senior Kurdish officials, ISIS is now on the back foot.
They have changed their tactics for sure. Now they are not moving in long convoys. They're trying to avoid airstrikes by using civilian vehicles.
While they may control 1/3 of Iraq, ISIS is overstretched, fighting on multiple fronts in dozens of towns and cities, calling in reinforcements from areas they already control to help in battle. While ISIS propaganda would have us believe they're a conquering force expanding their so-called caliphate, senior officials here say that is not the case. From the militants that they have captured and interrogated, they admit morale has taken a direct hit ever since US airstrikes began more than 2 weeks ago. And for that reason, the Kurds are calling for an ongoing US air campaign, hinting at the possibility of striking ISIS targets in Syria, its safe haven.
Airstrikes, expanding airstrikes, and authorizing them to target the leadership of ISIS or to expand the geographical areas of their strikes is going to also be very effective.
But no one here is pretending this war will be over in a couple of months. ISIS, now thought to have a force of at least 40,000 fighters across Syria and Iraq, is in for the long haul.
Mosul to them is very important, so they would probably fight to death to keep Mosul. And there are some key areas that are very important to them. That doesn't mean that they have given up attacking new areas.
A harsh reality, but one these fighters say they are prepared for. Anna Corrin, CNN, Erbil, Kurdistan, Iraq.